Hola! We're at the IFA Rocks green carpet here in Madrid, Spain. We've just had a very eventful green carpet. A whole lot of Bollywood celebrities have walked the green carpet. There was Deepika Padukone, Shahid Kapoor, Sonakshi Sinha was there, Anupam Kher, Anil Kapoor, Nargis Fakhri, and a whole lot of others. It's only on Bollywood.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, very cool. Hi. No, I can't. No.
Hi. Hey, wait. Germany.
Hola. Hola.
I've seen it, yes. You're free.
Hi.
नमस्ते
Hello, how are you doing?
So, tell us, how did you use
ये किसका? Sorry. Yeah. Alright, are you ready? Yes, ma'am, you were asking something.
I said, what preparations did you do yourself today?
See, honestly, I don't do anything. मेरा डिजाइनर मुझे जो पहना देता है मैं पहन लेता हूँ. Sandesh Navlakha, he's designed this for me. The shoes are customized. Alright. So these are customized. मैंने बोला ऐसे शूज होने चाहिए तो उन्होंने वो कर दिया. बाकी तो तैयारी यार होता है. It's a different one. जी.
आपको पाकिस्तान में कभी फिल्म में या किसी ड्रामे में काम करने का मौका मिले तो आप करेंगे?
क्यों नहीं करूँगा सर? मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ. आर्टिस्ट काम का भूखा होता है. आप जहाँ बुलाएंगे ना आ जाऊँगा.
यहाँ पे आईफा में मैड्रिड में what has been the highlight for you so far?
I think the love of people. I think that has been really awesome. Honestly, we perform everywhere, but the kind of appreciation we're getting here, I think not only me, the entire industry is very happy with that. So thanks to all the people. Yes, sir. I'll be hosting Rocks.
अच्छा, you're hosting Rocks.
Yes. So बस अभी बनाना शुरू करते हैं. So I hope.
Who are you expecting will win the best actor award this time?
I don't know, but एक तो चूज कर नहीं सकते और मैं तो कर नहीं सकता. I think वो जूरी का काम है. But I think सबने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. But I think the flavor of the season has been Ranveer Singh. So yeah, absolutely, man. I think he's done a fabulous job, and not only me, I think the entire industry agrees to that.
किसकी परफॉर्मेंस की सबसे ज्यादा आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
सर मैं ऋतिक की परफॉर्मेंस का वेट कर रहा हूँ. सो आई थिंक एब्सोल्युटली. तो मतलब सलमान खान को कैसे भूल सकते हैं? जो ऋतिक है और सलमान है, इन दोनों के लिए तो मतलब मैं ऐसे नीचे बैठने वाला हूँ. उनको बोल दिया मैंने कहा मुझे काम मत कराना इस टाइम. आई वांट टू सी देयर परफॉर्मेंस लाइव.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा गाना गाने वाली है इस बार, तैयार है आप?
बिल्कुल. मैं तो उनके साथ अगर वो बोलेंगे तो गाना भी गाऊंगा. और अभी तो उनके साथ थोड़ा हमारा अंदर भी करेंगे. हाँ बिल्कुल.
थैंक यू. देखो ये लोग सब कौन से. हेलो.
बोलिए ना. Yeah, I will.
You need to back up. One minute. Relax.
Namaskar.
2 minutes. He has to start the show.
I'm looking forward to myself tonight. Thank you. Thank you. I'm very excited to host the show with Fawad. I can't tell you how exciting it is. It's also his debut hosting opportunity in for our entertainment shows, and I can't wait to. I'm sure it was IFA, and I can't believe what an amazing choice it is, and I can't wait to kind of host with him. I think we're going to have some great chemistry on stage. अरे मुझे पता नहीं, इतना साल बीत चुका है ऑलरेडी. क्या
Start the show. We need to start the show. Thank you.
How are you doing?
We need to start the show. Come back.
Yes.
Who are you wearing?
The suit has been designed by Manish Malhotra and styled by Nikita.
Thank you.
Chanel.
कैसा समझते हैं आप जो पहले फिल्में बनती थी कंप्यूटर सेक्स के बगैर थी, अब कंप्यूटर से बनती, तो कुछ फर्क है इसमें? आपका दौर ठीक था या अब दौर ठीक है?
आने वाला दौर बहुत ही बढ़िया है, क्योंकि नई नई चीज़ें होंगी हर फिल्म में। नई जिंदगी बदल रही है तो फिल्में क्यों नहीं बदलेंगी, फिल्में बनाने का तरीका क्यों नहीं बदलेगा। तो इसलिए जो आने वाले को रेजिस्ट करता है वो पीछे रह जाता है। एंड सो यू कांट रेजिस्ट द चेंज, बिकॉज देन योर पोजीशन इज, जैसे गांव में होता है ना, नीम के पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के बुड्ढे कहते हैं हमारे ज़माने में, वो हमारे ज़माने में आज नहीं चलता। You see, the thing is, you either participate in change, in the logical change, in a positive change, or you just get left behind. So I think cinema is moving forward in a nicer direction.
What do you say about the Indian fan following of Bollywood industry in Spain, in Madrid?
I think when I left India, I was thinking, ये क्यों ये स्पेन में कर रहे हैं आईफा? Because you know there may not be many fans, but it was very, very heartwarming to see such fantastic affection from our fans in like Spain, Madrid. Like lots of people from Afghanistan, from Iran, from various other countries, lots of people from India, lots of people from everywhere. So it is very, very interesting to see the affection of our fans in Madrid, in Spain, and also the Spanish people.
सर, पाकिस्तान के साथ फिल्म बननी चाहिए, इंडिया को साथ मिलकर बनानी चाहिए, वहाँ पे भी आपके बहुत ज़्यादा फैन।
क्यों नहीं बनानी चाहिए? बिल्कुल बनानी चाहिए, क्यों नहीं, बिल्कुल बननी चाहिए, बिल्कुल फिल्में बननी चाहिए, आपस में बहुत खूबसूरत बननी चाहिए, दोनों तरफ कमाल का टैलेंट है, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए।
Whose performance are you looking forward for tonight and tomorrow?
I'm just going to see, कोई इम्प्रेस करेगा तो हम देखेंगे। Thank you very much.
He'll come back. Hello, please.
खत्म होनी। हाँ।
Last.
So how does it feel to be in Madrid for the IFA?
Spain is so beautiful. I mean, Madrid is part of it, and obviously I want to see all the small states of Spain, and love to be here.
Umang, are you excited after the response of Sarabji? The critical acclaim that the movie has got?
I'm loving it because what we went out to achieve, we did, and it's touched everybody's heart. I mean, the greatest critic telling that if you have heart, you love Sarabjit, and that's what I love.
Is this the genre that you will continue?
No, not quite. I mean, I was never planning to do a second biopic after Mary Kom, but it just fell in my lap because it was it compelled me to do this film. But third is a romantic psychological thriller, so it's a different genre completely.
So whose performance are you waiting for this time in IFA?
Tomorrow's performance is what I know of. Today I don't know much, but tomorrow, yes, it's Hrithik, Salman, Deepika, Priyanka, and they're all entertainers. So
Who's going to bag the best actor?
it's a given because everyone knows about it. That Bajirao is sweeping all the awards. It's basically दोनों ही हैं, जो Piku और Bajirao, which is like unanimously everyone knows that they're going to win. So yeah, thank you so much.
Oh, Hal. Oh, wow, amazing.
IFA में perform करना क्या मायने रखता है आपके लिए?
बहुत ज़्यादा, बिकॉज ये सबसे लाइक आई थिंक इट्स सबसे अजूबा अवार्ड है कि इंडियन म्यूज़िक और फिल्म को यहाँ तक ले आया है कि हर दुनिया में हर कोने में जाके वी एक्चुअली डायरेक्टली गिविंग इट टू द पीपल इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस। ये जो एक्सचेंज डायरेक्टली हो रहा है, इस
हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पे बहुत अच्छा है ये हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी, हमारे देश के लिए, हमारे फिल्म म्यूज़िक के लिए, फिल्म के लिए. सो आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर, लाइक humbled also.
Are you performing tonight?
I am performing tonight.
Seven, आपके private albums, so they're actually amazing.
Oh, wow, you know that.
Radio station in New York.
Oh wow,
So
okay.
एक लाइन तो किसी भी आपके फेवरेट गाने का होना ही चाहिए. मैं कौन आएगा, वो गाना नहीं गाएगा, तो आप जाने नहीं देंगे.
क्या गाऊँ आपको?
Whatever, your choice.
From the film.
Whatever is it.
क्यों न हम तुम चले तेरे मेरे से रस्तों पे नंगे पाँव रे, चल भटक लेना बाबू रे. Thank you so much.
If you don't mind coming outside, this way.
Sure. Okay. I have to go.
One Divya Kumar. Who's she wearing? That's what you're wearing tonight.
Me too is wearing Spanish polo.
And whose performance are you looking forward to tonight?
Everybody's.
Everybody's, yeah, they're all our friends. And which film are you supporting? I know you guys are filmmakers, but which film is like your personal favorite?
This year, Bhaji.
Hi, you're back. No fashion questions.
पहली बार है फ्रीडा, क्या मायने रखता है आपके लिए आईफा में आ जाना?
Actually, I'm really excited क्योंकि ये like you said, ये मेरा पहला आईफा है और the committee decided to give me an award, which I think is really, really kind of them as well. So I really, really hope I enjoy everything, and I know I will because the performance is something I'm really looking forward to. I think more than anything else, it's because I don't get to meet people from my own industry, but in this part of the world. I think it's very important that this is a great meeting point for me to meet many other people in my industry.
Frida, you tell us what are you wearing? We want to know that. Are you a bag?
Should I call up Tanya Ghavri and ask you?
No.
Frida, you're not just winning acclaim for the roles that you do, but also for the humanitarian work that you're doing. How important do you think is it for actors to give back to society?
See, the thing is, I don't think that it should be a forced responsibility to whoever and whomever it comes as naturally as it comes. It's very productive, and yes, they should absolutely feel that responsibility. But I do have another take to this where I feel when someone does not really feel the cause or does not really feel the need to do something, when you force them to do it, they become inauthentic, and inauthenticity you start seeing through it from the very beginning. So just do things that you really believe in. I think that's the most important thing.
And to all the Bandra girls who are watching this and watching you rub shoulders with the likes of Michelle Obama, what do you have to say to them?
Why just the Bandra girls? Why not just all the girls in the world?
Fair enough, all the girls. Bandra girls because I'm one.
Okay, yeah, but no, I feel like all the girls in the world. No, I'm really happy because she's such a role model, and I have learned a lot from what she has done as well with the Let Girls Learn campaign. And I worked with her last year as well at Global Citizen, so I'm looking forward to doing another trip with her and learning more.
And whose performance are you waiting for, like tonight? Looking forward to?
I think Shilpa Shetty is performing today. I just found out. Is that true?
Yes, she is.
Okay, then it's definitely her.
Which movie have you seen that you're supporting tonight? Or to watch?
I do not know which particular one I'm supporting, but Piku I'd really liked, and whatever categories they've been nominated, and I hope they do well. Any other films? No, I think Piku, because I thought Deepika was superlatively good in that film.
Is there any particular reason you don't do Indian movies?
Indian movies. Okay, now see, I'll correct you, and then you'll feel bad for not doing your homework.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
You can correct.
An Indian movie is, you would agree, an Indian story.
Correct.
I have done 2 already. you've not watched them, and that makes me really sad. Slumdog Millionaire was based in India, and Trishna was also based in India.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, they just full look.
Oh, sorry. You guys kept it there, nice there. थोड़ा सा पीछे. With your good, thank you. I should say hello to the last episode. I'm Frida. So nice to meet you.
Frida?
And
You know Frida? My
And the-
assistant Ryan did your pictures. You remember Ryan?
yes, of course I
Yeah,
do.
he was my
He did my
assistant.
first ever portfolio.
Yeah.
And his girlfriend did my makeup for the first. I don't know.
Yeah, of
His
course.
girlfriend.
They were married with baby.
Married. Oh my
with
god.
a baby.
Wow, that's
Rasinda.
amazing. Yes, Rasinda. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
been ages.
It's really been ages, and I think the first IFA that she ever made fun of me.
I did make fun of
Yeah,
you.
which was amazing. 'Cause
I'm
my
glad.
dad was like, they called you.
No, I
They
didn't.
gave you the portfolio for the Ministry of.
Yeah.
And I was I'm gonna tell my dad. I finally bumped into him.
See you, darling. See you.
Baman, hi.
Hello, darling. How are you?
I met
Hi.
a lot of fans of yours. Did you meet them as well? You have a lot of fans in Spain.
I can't count, but I have a few who show me a lot of love whenever I pass by, so it feels good. Bye, Frida. See you, darling. Give your dad my love.
Baman, return the love. Say something in Spanish.
Well, you had me for the first time. You had me tongue tied. But मैं क्या हो गया ना, darling? मैं उठा रहा हूँ. Sorry. Right. What would you want me to say something in Spanish? Yeah, poquito. Es cara, hat fur, que te cara bugi. Bueno, what I'm saying, but it was big.
What are your expectations for tonight?
Yeah, who are you rooting for tonight?
In the technical awards?
Well,
Well, there are great musicians playing and a great some singing. Hello, darling. And there's some great singers out there. And I love them all. And they're all my friends. All of them. All of them.
Winning the best actor this night.
We'll talk about that tomorrow.
सर पाकिस्तान
Talk about
में
it.
अगर मिलके फिल्म बनाएं तो भाईचारे में बढ़ावा बढ़ सकता है
बहुत बढ़ सकता है. Art is the only way out. Art is the only way out. Art and creativity for brotherhood.
थैंक यू
But we're talking about tonight. Tonight, very important.
There is Karan Johar.
Of course, think about it. And,
There is, Shilpa Shetty performing.
absolutely. But apart from that, I'm a man for the technical people tonight. It's their night. Let's give them the place in the sun. Thank you very much.
Baman, just one last question. Baman, just one last question. Back home in India, there's a huge furor about Salman Khan's statement.
No, not tonight. Tonight, it's not
Not
tonight.
in Spain.
Not tonight.
All right.
Okay. Thank you then. Bye bye.
No, you cannot tell me about that. You cannot tell me about that. Did she tell you about that?
That's what she did.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi.
What are your expectations?
I hope my performance goes well, and I am performing tonight.
Tell us something about
So I'm dancing on the hits of the year. I have 4 songs, and they are really long, and it's tiring. I hope I pull it off.
How has your experience been in Spain so far?
It's been good. It's been good. I'm going to stay here for another week.
Get some suntan.
Yeah, I need it.
So tell us about
Yes.
About what you're wearing. You're looking.
I'm wearing Armani. Yes.
We've always seen you in black and white. Most of your
Black, white. Actually, my favorite's navy blue. Yeah.
I think we need to watch it back.
Tomorrow.
So you're performing to the biggest hits of the year. Whose songs? And is Salman songs?
No, not the songs. One of them is mine, which is GFBF. Yeah.
We tweeted your fans.
Shilpa ma'am's. Definitely.
Suraj, we tweeted your fans and they want you to say "Main hoon hero tera" because that's your hit.
मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा.
Why don't you sing it?
No.
Come on.
वहाँ भी गाया मैं.
Okay. Yeah, so like.
आंखों के पन्नों पे मैंने लिखा था 100 दफा कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा, कि मैं हूँ हीरो तेरा. Thanks. Bye.
Hey Lara. You look lovely. You look amazing. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Balmain tonight.
Thank you. Kind of Spanish inspired.
This IFA 2016.
Yeah, you know, we come out there to support everybody, and hopefully the best man will win. So there's no real hard and fast favorites. It's really to come out here and have fun.
Whose performance are you waiting for?
Well, I know that there are quite a lot of performers tonight. I know there's Suraj performing, I think, and I'm looking forward to seeing him. He's young, he's talented. I'm excited to see what he's going to come out with.
What do you think has IFA done to our film industry?
It's fantastic. I mean, we've been staying at the Western Palace in Madrid for these last couple of days, and you can see it. You can see that the people who've been standing there day in and day out outside, you know, they've taken flights, they've flown in from all across Europe, even further than that, to be here. And I think it's amazing. And I think in a big way, IFA is responsible for putting Bollywood on the map.
Leander.
Mahesh, please. I married Mahesh and not Leander, please. Thank you. Well, it is IFA Rocks, isn't it? So you got to take some chances in life and have some fun. Balmain. I'm wearing Balmain.
Tell us something. Laura, how does it feel like?
Buenas tardes, amigos de los medios de comunicación. Estoy muy feliz de estar en Madrid en compañía de todos ustedes.
Thank you. I'm wearing Manish Malhotra, and this is my first IFA, so I'm very excited to be performing tonight and walking the green carpet and seeing all of you here.
And what songs should we look forward to? What are we looking forward to tonight?
Okay.
Your debut at IFA.
It is my debut at IFA, so I'm going with something classic and something which is golden in terms of music, and that's our old music, that's our retro music. So I'm part of a very interesting retro act, and I'm singing Piya Tu Ab To Aaja. Yeah. Yes, totally. I'm really a big fan. And we thought we are always singing our own songs, so let's do something retro, because people abroad are always craving for our old songs as much as they love our new music.
So since we have you here, you have to sing any song that you want.
Oh, okay. Any song. Sing. तुम्हें अपना बनाने का जुनून सर पे है, कब से है. Thank you. Thank you.
Come.
Ma'am,
Neil, are you going to be performing at IFA?
Not this year.
Not this year?
Not this year.
Whose performance are you looking for?
All of them.
And Salman Khan is your co-star.
Of course, yes, of course. I am going to in this evening, and I'm looking forward to that. He flew in yesterday, and I flew in the day before, so I haven't yet gotten the chance to meet him, but I'm looking forward to spending some quality time with him this evening.
Back home in India, there's been a big controversy.
I'm not going to be talking about that.
No?
Not at all. We're talking about IFA. You're intrigued about my hairstyles?
Yeah.
Are they interesting or no?
Very interesting.
Do you like them? From his time to my father to me. So 3 generations have catered to all of y'all. Thank you so much, and thank you for the love and respect. So I think the only one song that he sang that my father and I would probably sing all the time for all you guys and from my heart is something that means a lot to me is जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो हम हैं यहीं हम थे जहाँ अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. Thank you. I'm wearing Sarath Krishnan. He's outstanding. He's fabulous. His cuts for men are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nargis, hi Nargis.
selfie thing. It's crazy, guys. Hi. How you doing? Back from where? Hey, how you doing? Did you get a haircut? Yeah. Why? It was so nice and big. No, it was cool. I would have did braids for you. Remember I told you?
What are you wearing tonight?
Monisha Jai Singh. It's cool, right? Yeah, I like it. Yeah.
Love the gold button.
Yeah. I feel like strong and powerful.
Different. I'm a different.
Isn't it?
It's beautiful.
I know. I love it too.
How does it feel to be in Madrid for the IFA?
No, I never been to Spain before, so I'm excited. But it's a little hectic, which is great because this is my second IFA, so it's exciting. Yeah, it's exciting.
Did you expect the kind of fame you've got from the Bollywood industry and the acceptance?
I'm famous.
I mean, yeah.
I am.
Which is why you're still here, isn't it?
Oh my God, I didn't know. I thought you just liked my smile. How do I feel about it? I guess it's weird. It's awkward, but it's nice.
Whose performance are you?
Really, I'm awkward. I'm a very shy person.
Whose performance are you looking forward to?
See, everyone keeps asking me that. I'm looking forward to watching everyone. Because I don't get to watch everyone, right? So I'm as excited as everyone who's here today. Just,
When do you have coming out?
I don't know. What's coming out? What? Azur came out, and Dishoom. I did a cameo in Dishoom. And Banjo, yeah, can't forget that. You're doing my PR. Yeah, Banjo in September.
But is back home we heard some rumors about a heartbreak.
I'm sure you heard so many rumors.
Is there any truth to that?
No. Rumors. Anything else? Should I go? Thanks. Can I tell you?
You're looking amazing.
Hi. So all from India.
Who are you wearing tonight?
I don't know what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a...
Representing Indian channels, not necessarily from India.
Thank you so much. It's so wonderful to meet you all of you. Thank you so much, and thank you for all of you all coming here and covering IFA. I'm
This
very
night must
happy.
be very special for you. Your son's trailer got launched.
So what did you feel about the trailer? Did you get a chance to see?
Goosebumps.
Yeah?
Really. You don't look like and his look.
Yeah, thank you.
Another runner.
Thank you so much.
That's what you want everybody to keep telling you, right, Anil?
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so happy that all of you have, appreciated the trailer. And well, obviously now the film is going to release on October 7th. So this is just the beginning, and he has a long way to go. So I just want your good wishes that he works with good people, as he has worked for Rakesh Mehra, because his career and is all about choices, what choices he makes. So I'm looking forward to the film as much as you all are.
How does it feel to be in Madrid for the IFA?
Feels great to be in Madrid.
Which film are you rooting for this year?
This year? Well, I root only for myself.
Now, or your children.
Sorry? No, first is me.
And which actor? Best actor?
Me?
सर पाकिस्तान जियो न्यूज़ से मेरा ताल्लुक है। मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जो पाकिस्तानी फनकार इंडिया में जाके फिल्मों में काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा काम कर रहे हैं आप? किस तरह आपका?
बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं। फवाद साहब ने हमारी फिल्म में काम किया था, खूबसूरत में लोगों ने उन्हें बहुत पसंद किया। और अभी भी जो हम नई फिल्म बना रहे हैं वीरे दी वेडिंग, उसमें भी रिया जो है वो कुछ कास्ट कर रही है। तो हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान ऐसी बात तो है नहीं, दुनिया एक ही है और छोटी सी है, और हम सबको मिलजुल कर रहना चाहिए और मिलजुल कर काम करना चाहिए। मेरी तो यही राय है, और मेरा लाइफ में यही मुझे खुशी जब यही होगी कि हम सब पूरी दुनिया में सब मिलकर हर देश से आएँ और एक फिल्म में काम करें। हाँ जी। एनीथिंग एल्स? हाय, हाउ आर यू? लॉन्ग टाइम। या
There are great performances this year at IFA. Salman Khan is one of them. Back home, he sparked a controversy with his comments, which in a sense you
Okay, next. Okay, thank you very much.
But it's nice. It feels very nice. It's a lovely city, and also feels good to be here.
And whose performances are you looking forward to?
Everybody's. I mean,
Any special one?
honestly, I don't even know who all are performing.
Salman Khan is performing.
Salman.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to Priyanka's performance.
Is your personal favorite, which is amongst the nominations?
Which is not yours.
There are lots of films this year, but I personally loved a small film called Dam Laga Ke Haisha. I loved Piku, so I'll be rooting for them. Thank you.
ओहो घर आ गया
लंदन से लेकर मैड्रिड तक
बहुत अच्छा 15 साल 16 साल हो गए लंदन में जब पहला शो आईफा का हुआ था तो मैं उसमें होस्ट था युक्ता के साथ और इन 16 सालों में आईफा ने हिंदुस्तानी फिल्मों को एक ग्लोबल मंच दिया है ऑडियंस दी है जो बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ है और बहुत ज़्यादा रिलैक्स तरीके से आप लोगों से भी यहाँ मुलाकात होती है आप भी रिलैक्स होते हो भाग नहीं रहे होते हैं अच्छी तरह से ड्रेसअप भी करके आए होते हो सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग एंड आई थिंक इट ऑल्सो गिव्स अस एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मीट द सेम पीपल who we do not meet in Bombay so often because we are not working all the time. Everybody is relaxed, everybody is actually genuinely smiling at each other. So it's a great feeling and
which performance are you looking forward?
I don't no idea of what is happening inside. I think when you have decided to enjoy it, then you are not getting anxious which performance you should root for. I think you just are going to have a good time there.
आपकी पर्सनल फेवरेट कौन सी फिल्म है भले ही वो
मैंने सारी फिल्में नहीं देखी हैं मैंने सारी फिल्में नहीं देखी हैं सो इट विल नॉट बी राइट टू सॉर्ट ऑफ कमेंट ऑन दैट मैं आया ही यहाँ पर मज़े करने आया हूँ एंड आई लव द सिटी ऑफ मैड्रिड आई थिंक इट्स अमेजिंग मैं चलता बहुत हूँ यहाँ पर मैंने चल के पूरी सिटी की हर गली में घुस जाए तो कोई ना कोई एक खूबसूरत चीज़ है गलियाँ बहुत खूबसूरत हैं यहाँ की बहुत ही आर्किटेक्चर के हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी यू ऑल
Yes, it's always fantastic to be back in Spain. I'm actually here every year, so it's like, I have to say something in Spanish. Te quiero. Love you, want you.
What is the best thing you like in Spain? What is it that attracts you to Spain or Madrid?
I mean, I think it's a beautiful country. I love the food, and I think the people are really fun. You know, there's an informality with the Mediterranean culture, which is very close to home in India. You know, they're easy. They're open, and they're warm, and they're family oriented, and they're very close to home. And I feel like the Spaniards are like the Punjabis of Europe. You know, they are loud and gregarious and fun-loving and hospitable.
Vivek, Priyanka.
Salman Khan is also performing. Back home, he's sparking controversy with his film, which is in a sense stabilizing someone who is a member of the industry.
I mean, everybody has reacted in their own way. You know, it was an inane comment. It was a comment that shouldn't have been made. And I think people have said that. And people, you know.
But people want him to apologize.
I can't decide what he should and shouldn't do. It's up to him.
When is the next film going on stores?
I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine.
Hello, hi. Thank you. Who am I wearing? I'm wearing Troy Costa.
And what are your expectations from tonight?
What are our expectations?
Have lots of fun and be entertained.
Yeah, have fun, watch a great show, watch some great performances, and of course enjoy the Spanish atmosphere.
You're here with your whole Grand Masti team.
Yeah.
So I heard you guys are going out and having a lot of fun. That's what Vivek told us earlier.
Yes, wherever we go, we have fun, and we make Madrid no exception. We're very happy to be here with just the entire IFA family and everybody, and to soak in some Spanish atmosphere.
So you are with a great Grand Masti, two best friends, all three of you.
Yeah.
So what Masti will you do in Madrid?
We're going to do lots.
She's the wives, you guys are with the wives. So
We guys are always with the wives. Contrary to what you think in the films, we're always with our wives, and But yeah, we're gonna have a lot of masti tonight and tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you.
Suki's a friend. Suki's a
Oh, really?
friend. Diya. Diya, you look stunning.
Thank you.
God. Seriously.
Stunning.
Thank you. I'm wearing a gown by UB, and my gown is by Verb, and my jewelry is by UB.
Love those earrings. They're
Thank
very,
you. They're fun, right? Fun.
Lovely. So how does it feel to be in Madrid for IFA Weekend?
It's been too much fun. We've been here for the last 2 days, and we've walked around, something that we don't do enough of back home in India. Walked around, soaked in the environment, the atmosphere, sat around at cafes, eaten lots of food, listened to a lot of good music, live music. It's a very vibrant, hospitable, warm city. It's been great.
Who do you think is taking the Best Actor award tomorrow?
It's you know what's really exciting about this year is that every nomination has a really amazing performance. I mean, you think about Salman in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, you think of Ranveer Singh in Bajirao Mastani, even Dil Dhadakne Do for that matter. You think of Mr. Bachchan in Piku, and there's just every nomination. Varun Dhawan in Badlapur. I think it's going to be really tough. But I have a feeling I know who the winner is going to be. As you all do. Good to see you all. Thank you.
Personally, for you, it's been a great year. An Indo-Iranian film, a television series, also on the web. Are you seeing the best for the last modern?
I feel like my life has become so exciting because I've been able to streamline all my efforts and combine my passions with the work that I do, my personal passions, and I think that's a blessing, for all of us. And I'm very grateful for that. Thank you.
स्ट्रेचिंग बचपन में सोचते ही स्ट्रेचिंग करनी है, खड़े होकर भी स्ट्रेचिंग सीख लिया। यार इस कोर्ट में मत करा, अंदर जाना है वापस। But like I say, when you're working with a legend like Jackie Chan, I think every day, every hour is a learning experience.
क्या आपकी जिंदगी बदली उसके बाद?
मैं समझता हूँ कि मुझे उनसे ज़्यादा हम्बल और ग्राउंडेड इंसान मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा। आज मुझे लगता है कि हमेशा दुआएं जो होती हैं इंसान को आगे लेके जाती हैं, और जैकी चैन आज जिस मुकाम पर हैं, आई थिंक वो दुआओं के कारण है। बदेश टेक शेयर ऑफ सारे पाकिस्तानी भराओं ने भी कहा कि सत श्री अकाल चक तो फटे और जल्दी जल्दी हिंदुस्तान आओ, मैंने भी पाकिस्तान सदो ताकि मैं सारे मिल सका। सत श्री अकाल और जी हाँ, गॉड ब्लेस यू। थैंक यू सो मच जी। थैंक यू सर, गॉड ब्लेस। थैंक यू।
No, really? Do I look that? Am I making it that obvious?
You will look like Jackie Shroff right now.
Really? Wow, that's a compliment. That's the best compliment I've ever received.
टाइगर, आपने अपने डांस परफॉर्मेंस के लिए कितनी मेहनत करी?
मैम बहुत, खासकर क्योंकि पहली बार मैं परफॉर्म करने जा रहा हूँ आईफा स्टेज पे, और आई थिंक ऑन द मेन स्टेज अलॉन्ग साइड ह्यूज सुपरस्टार्स लाइक सलमान सर, ऋतिक सर, प्रियंका चोपड़ा एंड दीपिका पादुकोण, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, and last but not least, actually least me, newcomer. So being the youngest person on that stage, it's a little frightening, but I think I'm ready for tomorrow.
Tiger, there is a 11-year-old girl from New York, and especially out of all of these stars, she has sent a message for you.
Wow, how sweet.
Her name is Meher.
Meher.
Can you please say something to her? That'd be awesome.
Hi Meher, I love you. Thank you so much for all the love, and please continue spreading your love, and I hope I can see you someday. Bye. Thank you.
टाइगर, जैकी श्रॉफ का बेटा होने की वजह से आपके ऊपर कुछ एडिशनल प्रेशर रहता है?
I think any star's son or daughter will have expectation or pressure. हालांकि वो प्रेशर मेरी ताकत है मैम, I use that to my advantage, और उससे मुझे motivation मिलती है to work harder. Thank you.
Can I get the last
One photo? Sure.
Hi, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Rayan Basha, French designer. I'm looking forward to Karan Sir and Fawad hosting, and I'm looking forward to Suraj's performance.
Who do you think will back the Best Actor?
Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh. or Salman Khan for Bajrangi Bhaijaan, who I'm crossing my fingers for.
Are you looking forward for his performance?
Of course, I'm waiting for it. I can't wait. Thank you.
Hi.
What a choice of color.
Thank you very much.
How is Madrid treating you?
Madrid's not treating me in any way. I mean, like, you know, it is what it is. It's a great city. It's one of my most favorite cities in the world. I've been here many times before, and every time I come back, I do literally the same thing, and that thing is called nothing.
I almost mistook you for a Spanish lady.
I know. I get that a lot because this morning the security didn't even let me inside my own hotel because I thought I was a Spanish fan. So yeah, I get that a lot.
What are you wearing tonight?
Brace yourselves, girls. I'm wearing Marks and Spencer. I get that all the time. No, thank you. And Payal Khanwala. Yeah, otherwise she's gonna fire me. Thank you very much.
Take care. Bye.
Thank you. Very nice.
Item song singer or the most popular dance numbers, I would say.
Thank you.
Yeah. How has the journey been?
It's been exciting, and there's much more coming. I've got some great music that's come out this month, and many more every month. There's some great work coming out. So very excited.
For a radio station in New York, we definitely want to listen to a couple lines from the Baby Doll. I think that song has to be sung here.
Well, okay. हो सोने सोने पटोले लखा सोने सोने पटोले ए तक दिया रहंदिया अखा ए तक दिया रहंदिया हो मैं की दसां पड़ी वे ए चन कर राह तरीफा हो मेरे हुस्न दे कोने 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 दी हो कोने कोने दी कम ऑन हो बेबी डॉल मैं सोने दी हो बेबी डॉल मैं सोने दी थैंक यू
Okay, come now, guys. We're getting into it. So ask Dan whatever question.
Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Thank you. Oh, my favorite, Sabyasachi.
Who
Yeah.
are you wearing?
It's Gen Next.
Soon to be favorite.
Yeah.
I thought you'd say lots of love of my wife.
Yeah, that too.
That is always there.
But that's something that I wear every day for the rest of my life now.
So how does it feel to be in Madrid for the IFA weekend?
Feels awesome. It's a beautiful place to be, and yes, meeting your colleagues, celebrating cinema, applauding the best in the business for the last year. It's all great. You know, you're a part of a fraternity. You are here to cheer them. Also, the fact that we just got married, so it's like an extended honeymoon for us.
It's
So yeah,
beautiful country.
it's just a win-win for us completely.
Okay, so as you said, there are a lot of good nominations this time for the best film and the best actor. Who are you looking forward? Who is going to take the IFA this
Let's
time?
just be diplomatic and let's see who wins. They're all good.
Who are your favorites?
May the best
I mean, as
man
far as the
or
film is
woman
concerned.
win.
Well, I like Piku. Piku, yeah, it's adorable. Yeah.
And any performance you're looking forward to tomorrow or tonight?
Tonight, definitely it's Shilpa. She's a dear friend and she's performing after such a long time. Looking forward to,
Yeah, it'll be awesome.
And last time she was not eating much. So,
Yeah, I don't know why.
So, yeah.
She's like this
Yeah,
much.
yeah. So, yeah,
Still
looking
not.
forward to her. And tomorrow, yeah, there's Priyanka, there's just so many, Deepika, there's so many people, Ritik, yeah, all of them.
Salman. Yeah.
Endless list. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
care.
you, everyone.
Chaya we won.
Who? Karthik was champ.
We are not able to name.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. जी सिर्फ बाय द टाइम फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो हमारा एक्सपेक्टेशन ये था कि बस ये रिलीज हो जाए, हम उसी से खुश हो गए थे। लेकिन बहुत दिल से बनाई थी फिल्म, बहुत प्यार से बनाई थी, बहुत ऑनेस्टी से बनाई थी और यही वी वांटेड दिस काइंड ऑफ अ रिस्पांस बिकॉज जो फिल्म का इशू है वो सिर्फ फिल्में आती जाती रहती हैं, लेकिन जो फिल्म का इशू है वो इस जनरेशन के लिए बहुत रेलेवेंट है और जितने लोग फिल्म देखें उतना इस फिल्म के लिए बेहतर है और उतना इस पूरे जनरेशन के लिए बेहतर है। सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्पोक अबाउट द फिल्म and a lot of people became curious about the film, and then a lot of people went out and saw the film, and then they came out and supported the film. So it was amazing. What's up, Faridun? It's a very weird thing that something that's so dark that I thought I don't even know if people want to see a film like this has turned out to be the biggest opening weekend of my career. I don't know what to make of it. Honestly, I really don't know what to make of it. I'm just extremely happy and thankful that people saw the film and supported it and understood the purpose of the film. And I guess there are no rules. You never know which film is going to end up doing great numbers and which film is not going to work at all. So I don't think there's anything called commercial and non-commercial. There's only good content and bad content. Acha, he feels like that? Maybe it's because I'm back with Raju. Pappu and Raju are back. Rangoon is complete. We completed Rangoon a couple of months back and it will be out on the 24th of February, which is one day before my birthday. So I will be working on this birthday, which I'm very happy about. And it's my third film with Mr. Vishal Bhardwaj, who is an amazing, amazing man. It's got a great star cast. It's got Kangana, it's got Saif. It's a Vishal Bhardwaj film and I'm also in it. So I hope people like it.
Who are you wearing tonight?
I am wearing Kunal Rawal.
And whose performance are you looking forward?
All of them. All of them. The hosts are going to be great, I think. And I'm just going in there to see who's performing and what's going to happen, and I'm excited. I'm not performing. I'm not performing, so I'm just going to clap for people and have fun.
Are you nervous?
Not nervous, excited. There's always a little bit of nervous energy before you go on stage. I just hope that you're always worrying about कि कुछ technical mess up नहीं हो जाए, कि something like that doesn't happen and things like that. Show बहुत लंबा नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. Other than that, just looking forward to have fun on stage. You still don't know what's special about Raju and Pappu? आपसे नहीं बात कर रहा, मैं आप किसी और से बात कर रहा हूँ. No, I think me and him get along really well. Me and Farhan have, I don't know, we just click really well together. This is the third time that I'm hosting with him and it's always very, very easy. Somehow, it's natural, it's easy, it's free, and that's what we really enjoy, and that's why we keep getting back together. And so we're just gonna have fun.
Shahid, what do you have to say?
Thank you.
Shahid, what do you have to say to all the Fuddus out there?
Don't be a fuddu. और फुद्दू फुद्दू होता है, लल्लू लल्लू होता है. Sorry? It's always difficult to be without your wife. Are you married yet?
परफॉर्मेंस है हाँ कितना देर तक हो आप लोग
इधर ही कल भी इधर
कल नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम हाँ डोंट थिंक सो
आप ही भूले एक बार यहाँ पर
Dangal music will it's a very special script, very nice script, and the music is with the script. You get to hear this is the kind of music I haven't done earlier, so I'm looking forward.
Rustic music.
Yes. Rustic.
How many songs?
अभी तक तो अभी चल अभी तो एडिट लॉक होगा तो कितने गाने हैं सब पता चलेगा. मैं जाऊँ, मेरा ना परफॉर्मेंस है, मैं आता हूँ.
P10 tour is coming up. You have one word to say about everybody looking forward to the P10 tour in September in North America.
No, the P10 tour September is not announced yet. It's not yet announced that we are. अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं है. जग्गा जी उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं सब कुछ.
हॉटस्पॉट से लोड हो जाएगा.
नहीं मुझे मैसेज करना है ना.
You can do a one-on-one in that case. No.
Can we get? Who are you wearing? I'm wearing Zara. Just about your dress.
You done?
Yeah, no. Sonakshi.
Yes, hi. अरे बाकी के क्या है? 3. Thank you. This is an outfit made by a very dear friend of mine. Her name is Zara Umrigar, and she's very, very talented.
You're going to be performing at IFA again this year.
I am going to be performing at IFA
Are you
again.
going to be singing and dancing?
I've become like an IFA staple. IFA won't happen without me.
But then are you going to be singing and dancing this year?
No, only dancing this year, and dancing to the legendary Sridevi Ji's songs. I'm going to be paying a tribute to her, her achievement in Indian cinema, and it's such an honor for me to be able to dance to her songs. Yeah.
Congratulations for Akira.
Thank you, Faridun.
When we get the promo out?
The promo will be out soon. Thanks for the great response to the first look itself, and it's been fantastic actually. A lot more than I expected, and the promo will be out soon. And trust me, the wait will be worth it.
Even Noor looks very good.
Thank you so much. Thank
What
you.
is it about? What is Noor on?
Noor is about the journey of a girl, and she's every girl. Every girl can relate to her, connect with her, and there's some part of Noor which is in every girl. So I think it's a lovely story about a girl who comes of age, and it's her journey. Yeah. Thank you, by the way. All right, this is my exit point. Bye bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
I am obviously very excited. It's in Madrid, it's Spain, it's so beautiful. Our entire industry is here, and there's going to be amazing performances. मैं खुद भी perform करने जा रही हूँ, तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ. What I look forward to is that that's what I said, the entire industry is here. So हम सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. But whenever you travel to such a beautiful place in a European country, एक festive mode और भी hyped up हो जाता है. वही हो रहा है. हम सब हर रोज एक साथ निकल रहे हैं. We are just going for dinner, having fun, and then these the evenings and performances. So it's chilled out yet it's so wonderful. तो ये of course hyped up हो जाता है. Yeah. What do I think? What will I think? I'm just grateful and happy that I have a nomination for such a beautiful song, or with so many wonderful, talented people. In fact, मैं तो बाकी सारे categories में कौन जीतेगी उसके लिए ज़्यादा curious हूँ. Thank you. No, not at all. Every award is important because all of these awards are like, encouragements जिसके वजह से और all the more momentarily मैं बोलती हूँ अपना को अरे वाह thank you, and then I will अच्छा और भी करना पड़ेगा. So it's very important, all of them. Welcome, thank you.
Right here. Sir, 2 minutes. Right here. Please, thank you.
She's coming, Baba. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Keep it, keep it. Okay, 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 okay.
Yes.
You're looking
This is what I should have done, not all of that.
You're looking amazing, Deepika. You're
Thank
looking
you,
amazing.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Who are you wearing today?
Huh? Hi everyone. Hello. Hi.
What are you wearing? You're looking gorgeous.
I don't know who I'm wearing. Remember what I said yesterday? But I've been styled by Shalina Natani. And she's here. She's here. She's here. And Daniel Bauer, he's done my hair and makeup. Wave, wave. And Farhan, my trainer, wave, wave.
Any surprise guests we might be expecting tomorrow?
So many. There's so many people.
You know, a lot of people are rooting for you for Piku.
I hope so. I think we all agree that it was a very special film, and films like that come very rarely in an actor's life and in an actor's career, and even for us as an audience. So I think we agree on that, and but I'm obviously equally proud of all the other movies that I did, Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani, and I'd be happy for whatever.
And
Piku
the
or
other...
Bajirao Mastani? Which one do you think personally?
Yeah.
Bajirao Mastani, I think is.
I don't even know if I'll win, so let's get past that first.
And the other favorite is of course.
I think they've
Ranveer.
both been very special for me, and honestly, if I had it my way, I've mentioned it earlier, I wish they didn't all release in the same year. But it's also a nice feeling to see, and it happened in 2013 as well, to see so many nominations for for Piku and for Bajirao Mastani. So it's a nice feeling. I'm not going to deny that, but whatever, whichever film, they're both equally special.
When is your next movie coming? When are you starting your next Hindi film? $1 million question.
How was your experience?
I start in September.
September.
Yeah. Now you'll ask me which one, which I can't tell you which one, but I start in September.
A lot of people are torn between Salman Khan and Ranveer Singh when it comes to Best Actor. Who are you rooting for?
Ranveer, any day, and he truly deserves it. I think for an actor who's been around in the industry for only 5 years, yeah, and done 5 or 6 movies, to be able to pull off that performance was incredible, and I can't think of anyone else who could have done that better than him.
Experience of working with Vin Diesel.
I was there in Canada to see you.
Yes, okay.
I was there in Toronto.
Where? I want to know your exact location. I want to know where you were standing, what you were doing, what you ate for breakfast.
I saw you there.
It was amazing. It was amazing. And I think, like I've always said, I think it's the experiences that make movies special. And he was a huge part of making that experience very special for me. It can be very unnerving when you move into a foreign land and you're working with new people in a new environment. But he was there with me on every step, making sure that I was comfortable, and making sure that everything went off smoothly, not just for me but the entire team. And he's one of the most generous human beings I've met.
So my message to US fans, please.
I have fans all over the world. See?
US fans.
Everyone. I want to say that I spent a good couple of months in America and between America and Canada, and it was an amazing experience, and thank you for making me feel at home. Yeah.
Deepika, it's always great having you at IFA. Hello, how are you? You okay?
Good, yes.
Now, this is a great IFA and a sad IFA at the same time. Great because the gong is all yours, and sad because by the next IFA, we will have given you away to the rest of the world.
No, that's not happening anytime, ever.
Will you always be ours?
Yes, I'll tell you why. Because I think movies are so much beyond that now. I think it's beyond boundaries. It's no more about India and America and China. I had so many fans from Africa who came and saw me yesterday, and it's amazing to see the kind of impact Indian cinema has had, over the years, and it's truly global. So I think that to say we've lost you to someone else, I don't think of it as someone else. I think of all of us as one. I just think that we make movies to entertain people, and the language might be different, but the soul is always the same, and that's never going to change.
So we'll be your Kashibaya now you found your Mastani. You found another. You found your next industry.
Oh God, no.
Thank you.
I don't, like I said, I don't look at it as this or that. I look at it as one long continuous journey, and life will always throw different opportunities at you, and it's what you feel like doing at that point of time in your life, what excites you, what doesn't. For me, I'm an actor. You know, I'm going to choose roles that excite me as an actor, that challenge me as an actor, and that's my only criteria. That's always only been my only criteria. So it's not about doing an Indian movie or an English movie or a Hollywood movie. In my career, I've done, within my Bollywood career, I've even done a small short English film, Finding Fanny. And before I did Om Shanti Om, I had done another movie in a regional language, which actually not too many people know of.
Kannada.
I'd done a Kannada movie. So it's really about being able to impact people's lives through the movies that we make, irrespective of boundary and religion and language and so on and
Latest
so forth.
on your NGO, please. Latest on your NGO. What are the latest plans?
Last question, guys. So what we're focusing on this year is we launched a school program where obviously making students aware, making teachers aware, making parents aware of which is actually, like I mentioned when we launched the foundation, which is awareness. There's a huge lack of awareness in our country and globally, not just in our country. So the schools program, we have a general practitioners program as well, because it's something that doctors learn when they're studying, but somewhere down the line they forget that it's something that they can also very easily treat, or at least identify, if not treat. So making them aware and reminding them of their school and college syllabus, I guess. And just reminding them that it's something that they can also help us with, because that's kind of the first line of defense. And we have a huge media campaign that we will launch in October to celebrate the 1 year of the foundation.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wait quickly यार, फिर अपन निकलते हैं. अभी मिला है. अभी आई एम फीलिंग गुड. Okay, let's do it.
You're looking like a
do that.
Cinderella.
You're looking very nice.
Aditi, whose performance are you looking forward to the most?
I can't pick favorites, that's not fair.
Okay, but 2, 3.
Hello.
I'm not sure Kenya. Lots of love. So you're coming to Kenya anytime? I hope so.
Okay, Aditi, let's just talk to you. We have the gorgeous Aditi Rao Hadri here in Madrid. Aditi, wonderful to have you on board now. First of all, you're looking simply divine.
Thank you.
आज बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं इनफैक्ट गिरने वाले हैं आपको आपकी खूबसूरती को देख के.
Oh God.
क्या आपको ऐसे लोगों के बारे में?
अरे मैं मरहम पट्टी लगा के मैं रेडी करके आई हूँ.
Okay. So what are you looking forward to at tonight's performance?
Well, great music, I think, great entertainment, great dancing. IFA is always a lot of fun.
Right. How's been the experience of Madrid so far? Amazing architecture.
Almost didn't make it because I was working, but I was like, I cannot miss this. And I love the whole Wizcraft family and IFA, so I got here really late last night.
Right.
But it's so stunning. एक तो यहाँ पे दिन खत्म ही नहीं होते.
Yeah, that's
So it's so beautiful. और light एकदम perfect होती है. सारे shoot यहीं पे होने चाहिए यूरोप में.
Absolutely.
So it's so pretty.
Brilliant performance in Wazir. What is it that you're doing next?
Thank you. I'm starting Mani Sir's film next. Yes.
Okay.
In July. So I'm really looking forward to that. I have butterflies in my stomach. I'm really nervous.
It's like a Hindi film or like a Tamil film?
It's a Tamil film.
Okay.
But and I don't know the language, so I'm going to have to work at that. But I'm really looking forward to it. I think if Manisa asked me to do it in German, Spanish, Swahili, I'd still do it.
I think he gets the best out of his.
Oh my God, it's like been a dream to work with him as a child. Watching his films, I think every actor dreams of working with him.
Absolutely. Any Hindi film as well?
I have Sudhir Sir's film, which is recently done. Yeah, so that's going to come out soon. And then let's see. There's one more that I might be doing.
What sort of performances are you looking forward to tomorrow? Loads and loads of performances.
I know, and amazing ones. I don't know pick favorites, but of course I know everybody is going to be looking forward to Salman Khan's performance.
Right.
But I'm looking forward to Shahid and Farhan Akhtar hosting. Because I remember my first IFA when they hosted, it was really funny. So I'm looking forward to that. And Sonakshi, Deepika, Priyanka. Yeah, she's an amazing performer. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Aditi. Thanks a lot. This is Faridun Shara with cameraman Tahir Sheikh here in IFA, Madrid, Spain. Keep on watching.